Give me everything you got for this. Hey y'all, it's Kamiyah Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give myself another tattoo. As you've seen in my previous videos, or if you have not, go watch them. I've given myself tattoos already. So this isn't my first rodeo, but this is my first kind of bigger type of tattoo, which is really not that big. It looks like this. I seen it on Pinterest and then I thought maybe I'd give it to myself. You know what I'm saying? It looks cute. So if you like videos like this one, be sure to hit that like button so I know to keep posting the same type of thing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I just feel like you should subscribe. You keep watching. I mean, I know you want to watch me. So subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post. Also, don't forget to comment so I know if you actually like what I did. I need to know. I need to know. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. I hope you like the video. so I hope y'all like this video. I mean, I hope y'all like my tattoo at least. Like, if you did, hit that like button. If you didn't, swipe up right now. But yeah, so I hope y'all like it. Comment down below what you want to see in a future video. Don't forget to hit that like button. If I didn't already say that, I probably already did, but who cares? Hit that like button, hit that like button, hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel so we can get to 1,000 subscribers, because I'm on the road to 1K. Yeah, so I'll see y'all in the next one. Kamiyah Queen out.